spectrum is it's one of the most amazing thing someone can experience, because the change, and it's a constant discovery of new expression, new way of feeling things, new emotion, new expression of emotions. Like my son is on the spectrum. He was diagnosed with autism disorder. Are you coming?
Wait for me.
Some orange hearts.
Yeah.
Someone is really excited.
Teal.
Teal. Which one's teal?
This one.
Oh, this one. Oh, okay. Gentle hands.
Wie ik voor vergeten, wie ik voor nodig. Zo.
Have a look. He expresses his emotion raw, no filter. So when he's sad, he's sad. When he's angry, he's really angry. When he's happy, you can't handle him. So he is just how to canalize all those emotions and make a better use of them, that we need to help him.
It's an option.
It's an option, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, guys. That number.
Okay, you win.
High five first.
No.
No. High five. No. High five. Yeah. High five. Come on. Yeah. Got it. No. You did it. High five.
Yeah.
Look. High five.
She speaks a bit now, but she sings more than speaks. Even to communicate, sometimes she sings a song that we know for that specific thing. So, but yeah, she's speaking a lot more now. But yeah, she loves singing. She's been singing for so long now. Got the tone always as well. Like she has the melody always really well. Like. Can you see? Sorry, Violeta's more uncomfortable with it. There we go. She uses both hands as well for everything. So she's not defined yet. She's just.
Okay.
I can see your little fingerprints there as well. You're using your fingers, weren't you? You're making such a mess.
Yeah, that's fine. That is fine. Yeah, that is fine.
Yeah, she loves it. Let me help you. Let me help you. Mommy, help. Well said, Violet. Mommy, help. Good girl. That is like, you know, that's an accomplishment for her. That's what we've been working on. Alright, you're getting out of control now. Violet, you sure? Are you sure about that? Okay.
I separated from many friends, unfortunately, after the diagnosis because they tend to not understand what autism is all about, and some were thinking, some even told me it's because I was old that maybe I had an autistic child, or that told me it must be a curse. Others treated him like he's a fool, he's crazy, or he wouldn't be able to have a normal life. I heard a lot within the community, so I had to separate myself from the community to protect my son.
I like painting. Good girl. That's right.
Oh, but I like painting.
But I don't like painting upside down. No, baby. Yeah, baby, not on the table. You don't want that. Ah, you prefer paper. Okay.
Mommy.
Wow, that's so pretty, Violet. I love it. Violet, on the table, baby. Not on the table.
It's amazing. It's amazing. And when you feel down, he feels it immediately. He'll come close to you. Doesn't need to know why. He'll just give you a hug. And sometimes he will just tell me, "Mommy, it's gonna be okay." Haven't told him anything, but that's just how special he is.
Oh, you were in the Phoenix comic, weren't you? 'Cause you dressed up as one of the characters for World Book Day, and they asked me if she could be in the Phoenix comic to show it off, and yeah, that was a really good day.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
Yeah, there's basically a place where all the people that read the Phoenix artwork goes, although it's really rare to get into it because most people can't get into it because there's so many people reading the Phoenix.
It's a very popular day in Oxford.
Right.
Yeah, so we take her along. She draws in like an auditorium, like so the illustrators at the front, and he or she is drawing something, and they're all there with their little notebooks. It's like children's university thing, and she does really well. She goes in, one of the younger ones, and I was really worried that it would be a lot. Because it's her main interest and focus, she's happy, very happy.
I think I'm going to get my hands dirty because I need to do all the...
Okay. Has a very set idea of how she wants something.
Yeah.
She doesn't like being told. She doesn't mind being guided, but just.
I don't like to copy other people with their drawings.
What for, darling?
Sunset.
Do you want a brush?
No, I'm using my hands if I want
So you keep them on the table for now. Right.
There are times where he needs space because he's very protective of his personal space sometimes. So I myself, even though he can give me hugs, I can't just randomly give him a hug. So, and he just regulates the overload in his own way. He will be running around. He will be maybe pretending he's a big singer, going up and down, and going up the stairs and down at random hours of the day. And those are just one of the things we get used to.
You're painting like you're riding a horse.
did a lot of reading, a lot of videoing, watching. I joined groups on Facebook. I was told another adult just had an exclamation of, "Oh my goodness, what a disrespectful child. He can't pay attention to people. He doesn't look into people's eyes when they're talking to him. He's naughty, he's this. I can't bear him." Relationship between me and my little man it's everything. It's I don't know how to qualify it. It's special. It's amazing. It's symbiotic. It's everything. I think we've reached where we understand each other without saying things. Yeah, I feel when he needs a hug. I feel when he needs a space, and vice versa. So, and I'm just hoping we'll go through teenage years that way, and we'll be able to support him more.